Hello, assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings. It's me, Sabina, with my March 2024 newsletter video blog summary. Ramadan Mubarak to all my Fairtrade friends and family around the world. This month my shoulder is still inflamed and very painful, and once again I've struggled to type this blog in English and Urdu and record this newsletter video blog summary. And despite my pain, I managed, with the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to participate in Fairtrade Ramadan 2024 and post a Fairtrade product every day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to recording another video for you next month. Take care. Bye for now. Walaikum assalam. Peace and blessings.